Here's a Thomas Industries 38-inch hugger that I got from Jeffrey Doctor about 2 years ago now. And I'm selling it to Donald Root. And as you can see, it's here in the basement of his house. Maybe you asked, I'm not stealing any of his videos. I don't want to hear it. Anyway, we'll start off on low. About a medium. About a medium high. Go straight to high. Well, that's it, and until next time.